Apologies for the background noise. I know you're going to hear everything because apparently this thing picks up everything. But I wanted to show you this. So, I'm currently over in the Black Forest. I'm playing Valheim. Black Forest. I've sombered off from... Where am I? Oh my god. There I am. This is spawn location. I've been sombering around. But anyway, in the Black Forest, in a new location, had to find copper. I found copper. But in this instance, I decided to see how big the copper was. So I dug, and I dug, and I dug. I made 3 holes. This was first level. Then I dug down again. And then I dug down again. I am under the cover. I am scared to break these because I feel like my game will lag hard. I'm going to use a magic thing though. Oh! How much did I get? I swear, if I didn't get a lot from that, I'm gonna cry. Because that took me like 2 in-game days to do all this. Okay, wow. That's it. That's all I got from... Oh my god. Alright, let's see how much we're gonna get from this. Wait, I should actually... First, get rid of all that stone. Take it all back. Oh no. That is now 4 containers full of stone. Jesus. Copper. I'm putting you over here. Wait a minute. I actually dug up some copper from before. Where'd that go? There. I can't remember which one it was from, but... Potato. Are we ready? Boom! Oh. That's right. I forgot. There was a tree branch in there. Look. It was sitting inside the freaking copper at the top before I started digging it all out. Be gone, tree stump. Now I just have 3 tiered hole. Just casually in the Black Forest. So that's how much copper I got in total from those 2 giant ass freaking copper thing nodes. And no, I'm not filling this in. This is like the perfect trap for the hordes. They can all fall in here, and I will be safe up here. Oh my god, actually, that is a genius idea. I'm a genius. I just had a thought. What if I expanded all the way out, so then the whole thing is that same level down there, and then I build a mountain. They would never be able to touch me. They'd all just fall into the hole. And I have drawbridge. Where is it? I swear I have a drawbridge thingy. Where is it? Yeah. See, I've got a drawbridge tower thingy. A big, longer drawbridge that will come up once I place it. And then a smaller one. And I have a lift gate. I'm gonna do it. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.